If you can't add or find friends on Steam, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a few simple account settings rather than a major problem with Steam itself. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your friends list working again quickly. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Steam fixes just like this. First, let's check something very important. Whether your Steam account is limited. Steam uses limited accounts to reduce spam and prevent abuse. And if your account is new or hasn't met the required purchase amount, you may not be able to send friend requests yet. To unlock this, Steam usually requires at least $5 or your local equivalent to be spent in the Steam store. That can be through adding funds to your wallet, buying a game, or purchasing a gift. Keep in mind that redeeming a retail key from another site does not count toward this requirement, and receiving a gift doesn't count either. If your account is limited, the good news is that you can still accept friend requests, so if needed, ask a friend with an unlimited account to add you first. Next, if Steam Search is not finding the person you want, try using a quick invite link instead. This is one of the easiest ways to add someone when the search bar is acting strange or when multiple people have similar names. On the Steam client, go to the Friends tab and click Add a Friend. Then look for the section that says, or send a quick invite link. Copy that link and send it to your friend through Discord, email, text message, or anywhere else you communicate. When they click the link, they can add you instantly. Just remember that these links usually expire after 30 days or after one use, so if it doesn't work later, generate a new one. If your friend still can't find you, the next thing to check is your privacy settings. Sometimes your profile is hidden or your friends list is set too privately, which can make it harder for other people to send requests or find your account. To fix this, open your Steam profile, click Edit Profile, and then go into Privacy Settings. Make sure my profile is set to public. Also, check that your friends list is not set to private, because that can sometimes interfere with incoming friend requests. If you want to stay visible to friends but still keep other areas private, adjust only the settings you need while leaving the rest locked down. Another very reliable method is to add friends using a friend code instead of searching by name. This is especially helpful because display names are often unreliable on Steam. There can be thousands of users with the same name, so searching manually may bring up the wrong person or no useful result at all. On the Add a Friend page, Steam shows a unique 8-digit friend code. Ask your friend to send you their code, then enter it into the Enter a Friend code box and press Enter. This is one of the most accurate ways to connect with the right person, especially if search results are confusing. Finally, check your blocked list. If you accidentally block someone at some point during a previous chat, test, or session, Steam will not let you find or interact with them normally. To check this, go to Friends and then open Blocked. Make sure the person you're trying to add is not on that list. If they are, simply remove the block and try again. So if Steam can't add or find friends, the fix is usually to check your account limitations, use a quick invite link, review your privacy settings, D2 settings, try a friend code, and confirm the person isn't blocked. Once you go through these steps, most friend adding issues on Steam are solved fast. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.